Where are all the geniuses? Where are all the geniuses who told us that the dollar was going to collapse, that foreigners were going to sell treasuries and interest rates in the United States would spike through the roof, that gold was an inflation hedge, that all the money printing was going to lead to a Zimbabwe-style hyperinflation, that the U.S. stock market's going to be the worst performing stock market in the world because we're not emulating Europe and imposing austerity, which was supposedly the right thing to do. Where are all the geniuses? Where are these geniuses now? Where are they? Where's Peter Schiff? Where's Jim Rogers? Where's Mark Faber? Where's Bill Gross? Remember Bill Gross? Hey, who's going to buy them now? Where's Standard & Poor's? Downgraded in the United States, talking about risk of default. Meanwhile, they keep France at AAA. I mean, seriously, where are all these geniuses? I'd just like to know, because the fact is, everything they predicted has been wrong. Everything has gone in the opposite direction of their predictions. The dollar has been the best performing currency by far, even going back to 2008 when the Fed started to embark on all these extraordinary measures to try to help the financial sector. When the Fed increased its balance sheet nearly fourfold, the dollar has actually been rising. The debt of the United States over that period of time has increased by nearly $4 trillion. And guess what? Interest rates have collapsed. Gold, supposedly an inflation hedge, supposedly predicting some hyperinflation. No inflation, very little inflation. You saw some in commodity prices, but now commodities are absolutely getting crushed. Gold is selling off. The best investment in the world was U.S. Treasuries, and they told us that Treasuries were a bubble. Remember that? All of those guys, Schiff, Rogers, all of them shorting Treasuries for who knows how many years. I mean, if they actually did it, they got to be wiped out. I guess that's why they sell books or other garbage, is just to try to get some fees, because they got to be wiped out. Their clients, if they listen to them, they have to be wiped out. They have to have no money. So where are the geniuses now? That's my question. Because every single one of their views has not been correct. Been completely, absolutely, god-awfully wrong. So, I mean, how do they have any following whatsoever? It's really an amazing spectacle. And they continue to push this garbage. They continue to push this garbage about austerity and this backward gold standard mentality, this Austrian nonsense that has never worked. Continue to push this garbage when the markets and rationality just says this is absolutely 1,000,000% wrong. Completely, absolutely, unequivocally wrong. Just complete garbage and nonsense what they're talking about. Really, really ignorance to the highest degree. A universe of ignorance so vast that if Albert Einstein was alive today, he'd have to invent some new school of physics just to describe it. Monumental ignorance. That's all it is.